So Badger Bob's started in 1984 as an appliance business with Mark Tyler. Started in a little technical school up in Wisconsin, moved down with a bunch of buddies to Sarasota, started up a company called Badger Appliances. Imagine that. He's the biggest Badger I ever met. His nickname is Badger. His dog's name is Badger. He likes the Badgers. Go Gators. He partnered up with a guy named Bob Berg. Bob Berg's another Badger. He loves the Badgers. Go Gators. And they got together, so they named it Badger Bob's.
Yeah, I was Badger Appliance. He was Bob's Maytag. So I said, we'll just call it Badger Bob's. We'll merge, and that way we can take a vacation. We still didn't get much of it, but. And then we got Keith in, which was a really good step. He was very, very knowledgeable, smartest guy I ever met. AC.
13 years ago, myself, Bob, and Mark sat down at a picnic table at a campground, and they asked me if I would join them to start the air conditioning because they had a lot of their customers asking them if they did air conditioning. They did not, so that's how we got together. And then we would have customers ask us about plumbing. They'd have customers ask us about electrical. They just trusted us. They liked us because we all worked in the truck. We all worked in the field. So that's how we started building our business.
The most important thing for having all four appliances, plumbing, electrical, and AC is to take care of the customer all at one time. I know to a lot of people, they do love that because they deal with one company and they're happy with one company.
It started out very small, and it's amazingly how big we got.
Badger Bob service, what makes them better is not just the people, but the idea that the people follow and they buy into, and the culture that we produce here, so that it provides for the community and the services that we provide to our customers so that they love what we do.
That's how we came up with Service is Who We Are. We prefer to do our service work before we do our change-out work.
Service is Who We Are is based on taking care of the customer. And even if you have to go back 10 times, it's taking care of the customer. The comfort of people knowing who we are and being in town for as long as we have, and reliability that people can come back to us and know that we are still going to be there for them to take care of them.
A lot easier if you have a great service and you have great attitude with your employees and you can show up within 2 days. That's who we are.
Most of our staff, a lot of them started on the ground level in the foundation as a customer service representative. And now they're running departments. They're taking that philosophy of service is who we are to everybody else and customer satisfaction.
A lot of customers do love that we are in their own community and they can trust us that they are here. If they have an issue, they know where they can go to get that accomplished and get them taken care of.
Badger Bob's is like a hometown family business in a big city.
Badger Bob Services is service done right.
Badger Bob's is service.